If you want to automate your dropshipping business and save time, Seller Trend offers some great tools to help you do just that. First, after signing up and connecting your Shopify store, you can start browsing their product database for trending and winning items. Once you find products you like, add them to your import list. From there, you can customize product titles, descriptions, and pricing to fit your brand. The best part is with the Sell the Trends automation features, orders placed on your Shopify store are automatically synced with suppliers. This means when a customer orders from you, Seller Trend handles placing the order with supplier, no manual work needed. So you can also set up automated pricing rules that update your product prices based on your desired profit margins on supplier changes. This keeps your store competitive without you having to constantly check prices. Seller Trend also helps you keep track orders and provide sales analytics so you can focus on scaling your business rather than managing every small detail. If you want to free up time and run a more hands-off dropshipping store, automated with Sell the Trend is a smart move. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe for more dropshipping tips, and leave a comment if you want me to cover the other automation tools.